Today I will show you how to create a mandala design template. Let's start. Firstly, I will create a new document, file, new document. I kept it 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. Now press OK. Then select the line tool, draw a line. Then make it center for the document. Then click the right button, transform and rotate. Click preview and give the 90 degree. Press copy. Now I have this line in layers. Select this. Select the brush tool. Then draw a brush. Draw a line. Okay. Now select the whole layer. Click here. Now go to the appearance palette. Then click the new effect, distort and transform. Then transform. Click the preview. Click the reflect X. Number of copies 1. Then press the OK. Now again select the whole things. Then again go to the appearance, new effect, distort and transform. Preview. Give it here 30 degree. 11 copies. Press OK. Now again select the line tool. You can hide previous lines. Now draw a line. Again center it. Now right button click, transform, rotate. Minus 15 degree rotate. Press OK. Now select the pen tool, draw an anchor point, center of the line. Then select the direct selection tool, select the below lowering point, then press delete. Now select the pen tool, click the center into anchor point and press shift, then click, then join the anchor point. Then select the whole layers, click the mask option. Now we are getting this design. It is the mandala template for selecting easily or creating design easily. We can draw a guide. Let's draw guide. Lock this layer, create new layer, select the line tool, then draw the line. Give the color cyan color. Now centerize this, then rotate it for 15 degree, 11 copies. Now select again the line tool, draw a line, give it magenta color, then make centerize, then click the right button, transform or rotate it 7.5 degrees, then OK. Then transform it to 15 degrees, 11 copies. Preview. OK. Now select the circle layer, click 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. Now give it color grayish color, then make it center, then apply the transform, horizontal 90%, vertical 90%, then click preview, then make the copies. That's the outcome. So this is our guide. It should be go to the below, and it is our Mandala template. Mandala template. Its guide. Now unlock the Mandala template and click the arrow, hide the previous design. Now we are going to creating new design. Select the template, then select the brush tool, draw your design. Let's make the color black. Now creating our design. So you can create your design as you want. So this is the template design, or how you can make a template for mandala.